Two titans meet at the waterhole: the elephant, largest land animal on Earth, and the rhinoceros, armored and armed with a deadly horn. The savannah holds its breath as giants collide. The elephant trumpets a thunderous warning across the plains, but the rhino refuses to back down, snorting, pawing the ground, horn glinting in the sun. Both beasts claim dominance. Only one can hold the waterhole. With explosive force, the rhino charges. Its horn slices through dust and grass. The elephant meets it head-on, swinging its trunk like a battering ram. The impact shakes the ground, dust and debris flying. The savannah erupts as raw power collides in a storm of fury. The elephant drives forward, tusks pressing hard, nearly lifting the rhino from the ground. But the rhino fights back with raw determination, shoving with its horn. Dust clouds billow as the two titans clash, unyielding, unstoppable, neither willing to surrender. Breathing heavy, battered but unbroken, they separate. The elephant towers, ears wide, ready for another strike. The rhino stands firm, horn raised high, eyes locked in defiance. The savannah falls silent, waiting for the next move. So who rules this battleground? The towering elephant or the unstoppable rhino? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe now to PD Wild Truth for more epic animal battles straight from the wild.